Hola, estudiantes. Soy la señora Lamas aquí. You're going to do and listen to this little video to do the lesson that you missed in class, the listening activity. So, in the listening activity, we're going over this vocabulary. So, let's review this. We have the verb up here, hacer. It's kind of a new word for you guys. It means to do or to make. When I want to say I do or I make, yo hago. You, I'm talking to a friend, you do or you make, tú haces. He does or he makes, él hace. Or I could say, el niño hace. Or I could say, Antonio hace. Or el profesor hace. If I want to say she does or makes, ella hace. Or I could say, la niña hace. La profesora hace. La señora hace. Or I could use someone's name, Rosa hace. When I'm speaking to you, an adult, a teacher, I'm going to say, usted hace. We will also be using this vocabulary on top in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. This was vocabulary you learned back in fourth grade, and they're bringing it back to review. So in the morning, it's por la mañana. Take a look at that picture. There's a rooster there with the sun, and the rooster crows in the morning. Por la mañana. Then we have in the afternoon, por la tarde. We have the clouds up in the sky with the sun peeping out. So this is going to be in the afternoon, por la tarde. Then we have in the evening, por la noche. We have the sunset there in that picture, por la noche. Now below, these are the three verbs that you're going to be hearing in the listen activity. You're going to hear escuchar, jugar, ir. So for escuchar, I have I listen, yo escucho. You listen, my friend, tú escuchas. He listens, él escucha. She listens, ella escucha. And you, my teacher or a boss, usted escucha. For jugar, to play. When I want to say I play, yo juego. Talking to you, my friend, tú juegas. Saying he plays, él juega. She plays, ella juega. You, my teacher, or a boss, or Padre Jose, usted juega. Then we have the verb ir, to go. When I want to say I go, it's yo voy. You, my friend, I'm talking to you, say you go. Tú vas. He goes, él va. She goes, ella va. And you, my teacher, or a boss, or the principal, you're talking to them, usted va. If you want to go back and listen to this little mini lesson, you can just put the tape back and listen to this again. Let's go on now to the next page. So here we are on our page for our lesson, our activity. This is lesson 12, page 25, and you should have, let me show you here, you should have this page. You should have picked this up after your quest class. Okay, it looks like this. I need you to escribe tu nombre, your numero mágico, and your grado. So your name, your magic number, and your 5C. Okay. So this activity is a listen activity. You will hear three dialogues. I will say three dialogues for you to listen to. For each one, write the letter of the illustration that matches what you hear. The pictures will really help you. They're kind of key to this and listening for those key words. So you have I put the graphics back on top here so you can see them better. Remember, this is jugar, this is ir, and this is escuchar. Remember the ir, its forms are kind of irregular. It's going to be the voy, vas, va, va, va. Okay, yo voy, tú vas, él va, ella va, usted va. So listen for those keywords and other keywords that will help you to put your answer on the right line. So I'm going to start with number one. I'm going to read a dialogue, and you're going to decide: is Mrs. Lamas, is she reciting A, B, or C? You decide and write that letter on the line. Okay, here we go. Número uno. The question: ¿Qué haces por la tarde? ¿Qué haces por la tarde? Juego a las cartas en el parque. Juego a las cartas en el parque. Número 2. ¿Qué haces por la mañana? ¿Qué haces por la mañana? Voy a la tienda en bicicleta. Voy a la tienda en bicicleta. Número 3. This is the last one. Número 3. Number 3. ¿Qué haces por la noche? ¿Qué haces por la noche? Escucho música en casa. Escucho música en casa. Okay, if you need to listen to that again, all you have to do is just go back and re listen. If you need to do it again, go back and re listen as many times as you can. Put your answer on the lines and then make sure you hand this in to me the next day. I would like to have this into my hands at the end of the week. The sooner you get it done, the better. I need you to get into good study habits of getting your work done as soon as possible. Don't wait till last minute. So get this done before Friday. Hand it in to me on Friday morning so I can give you your points in the Google Classroom and in Sycamore in the grade book. Okay, adios.